Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the admission process of Tata Institute of Social Science Mumbai and off campuses. So in order to access to the website, you have to type admission TISS admission.tis.edu. Then you have to search. Yeah, so it's already started. You can see in the screen. Now we'll talk about MA program. So I'm clicking view all program. Yeah, so these are the program offering by TISS campus, Mumbai campus, and its off campuses. So now I'll talk about campuses. Like you can see campus wise program. So I'm selecting Mumbai campus first and then searching for the program. Now you can see that we have the Mumbai campuses programs over here. So these are the school and these are the two center. So I'll talk about one by one. So I'm clicking first School of Education. So School of Education is offering Master of Arts in Education, and then School of Development Studies offering two center, that is Development Studies and Women's Studies. And within the School of Habitat Studies, you have Master in Environment, Climate Change and Sustainability Studies, Regulatory Policy and Governance, Urban Policy and Governance, and Water Policy and Governance. School of Health System Studies, Mumbai campus offering Hospital Administration, Health Administration, Health Policy, Economics and Finance, Social Epidemiology. Within School of Human Ecology, they're offering clinical counseling practice. And in law school, School of Law, they're offering LLM. So LLM require the candidates should have LLB. And under management and level studies, they are offering this center, Human Resource Management level relation, level studies and practices, analytics, organization develop change and leadership, and social entrepreneurship. And in media school, they are offering mass media and cultural studies. And now School of Social Work, this is one of the big school in campus. So the social work offering specialization of these are the specialization: children and family, community organization and development and practice, criminology and justice, Dalit and travel studies in action, disability studies in action, livelihoods and social entrepreneurship, mental health, public health, women's and practice. So in School of Disaster Studies, they are offering disaster management, and in Mumbai campus it has two center, that is Education Innovation Action Research. Within that, they are offering integrated course for education, that is include B.Ed and M.Ed and Master Education. And in Library and Information Management, they are offering Master of Library Information Science, also known as MLIS. So these are the centers and school of Mumbai campus. Now we are going for Tuljapur, that is the off campus. So I clicked Tuljapur and searching for the program. So here you go, like you can see there is only one school offering at Tuljapur campus. So if I'm clicking drop down of Tuljapur campus, you will see these are the course offering at Tuljapur campus. So you can see development policy, planning and practice, sustainable livelihoods and natural resources and governance, social innovation and entrepreneurship, social work and rural development. So these are the course offering by at Tuljapur campus. Now we'll see about Hyderabad campus. So I click Hyderabad and click search programs. So you can see these are the school offering at Hyderabad campus. So in this Azim Premji School of Education, they are offering Master of Education. Within the School of Public Policy and Governance, they are offering Master of Arts in Public Policy and Governance. Within School of Livelihood and Development, they are offering Development Studies, Natural Resource and Governance, Rural Development and Governance, and finally they are offering School of Gender Studies, which includes Master of Arts in Women Studies. So these are the school and the specialization offering at Hyderabad campus. And now we'll go to Guwahati campus. So in Guwahati campus there are only two schools, School of Social Work and School of Social Science and Humanities. So within School of Social Work they are offering Master in Community Organization Development Practice, Counseling, Livelihood, Social Entrepreneurship and Public Health. And under the School of Social Science and Humanities they are offering Ecology, Environment and Sustainable Development, Love Studies and Social Protection, Peace and Conflict Studies, Sociology and Social Entrepreneurship. So yeah, these are the campus-wise programs. So I cover all campuses and their courses. So now I'll talk about the timeline. Yeah, so if you see the MA timeline, the announcement of online application for admission was introduced on December 3rd, 2020. So this is for all campus that includes Mumbai, Tuljapur, Hyderabad and Guwahati. The last date for online form application registration, last date is January 25. Last date of receipt of application form by post is on January 25th. And after application or after registration you can download a hall ticket. You can download a hall ticket in between February 8 to 15, that is you have 7 days to download your hall ticket, and the exam will be on online. This is very interesting this time. This because of the unprecedented situation of the COVID-19, they are organizing online pre-admission orientation program for marginalized community, where they will get to know about admission process, and they will clear about like whatever doubt they have regarding admission process. So they have planned and they have came up with 2 days, that is 30 and 31st of January. So this will be a great opportunity for those who need information about admission, particularly for the marginalized people. So this national entrance test will be conducted on February 20, that is on Saturday, and the test will be based on computer based, and they have not given the announcement date, so they will update soon. And they will also update the merit list, online document, announcement, first waiting list, and payment, and closing admission, commencement, and for all that. So for details about the selection procedure and all that, we'll talk about the next video. So for today the main focus was to introduce about the course offering at different campuses and the timeline. So these are the some of the details for today's video. For next video we'll talk about more details about the selection procedure. So for now we are hoping that you will do apply for the respective course which you like, and registration for your course before January 25, because January 25 is the due date. And prepare well for your exam, and wish you all the best. See you in the next video. Thank you.